Today we're going to be doing 10 annoying things about what YouTubers do when they have slime. As you see, this is the slime from this video, so yeah. So guys, I'm just going to keep my slime in the container, and it's a really pretty slime though. It's a golden one with little bits of it used to be blue slime. I had loads of glitter to it, sparkles, and I'm just going to keep this in for 20 minutes. Obviously, I'm not going to take it out of the container. I'm just going to poke it in the container. It's super cool, but I'm just going to poke it. I'm not going to do anything with it. Video was annoying things that YouTubers do with slimes. See ya! Bye!